Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Cellnet Gray Metallic. Under the hood's a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. We've got 18-inch twin 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a crystal gray MB text interior, panorama roof. Coming around back, our C300 4MATIC badging, power tailgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a keyless go, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a nice black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, radio, cup holders, our command center with our different dynamic select drive settings. This vehicle has 40,598 miles, Carfax and service records available online. To view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.